Did you know that you can change your team status by using the command bar, also known as the search bar in Teams? Well, you can change your status by following the steps now. Now you can go to the search bar, and if you need to mark yourself as busy, you can type /busy and hit enter, and your team status will change to busy. Now, let's say you need to mark yourself as available, you can do /available. And once you hit enter, your status will be set to available. You can also mark yourself as being away, and you can do that by doing /away. When you've got lots of important work you need to finish, you might want to put yourself on do not disturb, and you can do that very quickly as well by doing /DND. Say you want to mark yourself as be right back, that's another way of marking yourself as away. You can use /BRB. And finally, the last one where you can change your status is if you want to be offline. You can do /offline, and once you hit enter, your status will be marked as offline.